All right, you already know what this is. Ah, you don't know what that is yet. Let's do it. I did get a Mythic Edition. Drafted it at my house this past Saturday with a bunch of buddies. Retail buy-in basically for everyone, $35, and we redrafted the Planeswalkers at the end. I split the finals. I took the Liliana. And today I got this in the mail. Planeswalker card thingamabob. Or Planeswalker card. Ultimate box topper. Where'd my flashlight go? We're going to try and see if we can see through this thing. Let's do it. Well, it's not super bright, but looks pretty opaque. I'm going to do it off camera. I'm going to take a peek at it. Yeah, I don't know. Stuck it in the light bulb and under my flashlight here. It seems 100% opaque to me. I can't see shit through it. So we're just going to go for it. Here we go. What is on top of my Mythic Edition box? Will a card be right side up or upside down? Oh, right side up. It's blue. Is it a temporal manipulation? Oh, snap. Literally. Snapcaster Mage. Alright, let's get this bad boy in the sleeve. There it is, my Mythic Edition Ultimate Box Apology Snapcaster Mage.